Hi, this is Leo, and we're going to take a quick look at using the Google Keep extension in your Chrome browser. This is easily one of my favorite extensions that's out there, so let's get started. First thing you want to do is come to the top left, and we're looking for the Apps icon. I'm going to click on that. And when this page opens up, we want to go right to the Web Store. When the Chrome Web Store opens, we can search for Google Keep. However, I see it's also under one of the recently updated extensions, so I'm going to click right on it. When this page opens up, it's going to show us an overview, and we want to add to Chrome. Add extension, and after a moment or two, it's going to install it. And there it is, it just popped up in the top right, and if I need to, I can drag and drop to rearrange wherever I need it. Now the nice thing about this extension is you have a few really cool things you can do with it. First, maybe I want to save this whole page for later, but I don't necessarily want to bookmark it. I just want to make a note about it. So what I can do is come up here to the Keep icon, click on it, and then I can make a note to go along with this as well. And just like anything else in Google, it's going to automatically save it. So when I go to my Keep page on my phone or in my browser, we can see that note that I just made to myself. And I can change the color, I can add collaborators, and so on. So that's the first thing you can do. A lot of times though, you don't want to have the whole page saved, you just want to keep a note about part of it. So when I was looking at this, I saw this really cool kinetic sculpture activity. And I want to save this for later. So what I'm going to do is just highlight it, right click, and now you can see Save Selection to Keep. When I do that, now it's going to make a note on just this part and not the whole page. And it's already been saved. So we'll go back to Keep, and there it is. And you'll also see a link to that. So if I need to get back to the page where that note was made from, I can get back to it pretty easily. So that's just a few things you can do with the Google Keep extension, and I highly recommend using it. It's very useful.